Hi guys. Oh, hey Michaela.
Oh, hi.
So, oh wait, you're playing with fidgets.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool if he's playing with fidgets. Oh wait, that gives me a great video idea. I will tell you guys all about it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you saw in the clip before, she gave me a good idea when she was playing with her fidgets. And I'm just gonna tell you guys what my idea is. So basically, we're gonna try and see who can stop playing with their fidgets 24 hours. Last to stop playing with their fidgets. So
Can
basically,
I do this?
yeah. So as long as you're holding it and like doing something with it, like if you have a pop-it, example, you can squish it and that would count. You're still playing with it. You have a puzzle ball, you obviously have to like push it in because that counts as playing it. No, you like have to push it in.
Puzzle ball, no.
So this you like have to like at least like be like rubbing it or something. It actually is kind of self-explanatory. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two pieces of paper and I'm gonna write down different fidgets on it.
And I better get to pick some.
I'm gonna put them all in like a bowl or a cup, and then you're
No.
gonna be choosing them out of there. And it's gonna be fidgets we both have because she's gonna be using her fidgets. I'm gonna be using my own. So it's gonna be stuff that we both have. So like, say I don't have something like she has this pickle guy, and I don't. So I'm not gonna be putting him in there. I don't have a hard shell.
No. You don't have a hard shell?
A dimple.
Well, I can give you one of these.
Okay, so
As a video.
yeah, just for the video. So which one do you want?
Because I really do want to.
So which one do you want to give me? The black one? Okay, so I'm going to write down a bunch of different fidgets and I'm going to put them in like a bowl or a cup or something.
And I better pick one.
Actually, I just got these like little bags at Goodwill and I'm going to be using these.
You went to Goodwill?
With Mom like a couple days ago. But, yeah, these are actually for my business. I'm going to start maybe soon. I'm working on it, guys. So I'm going to actually put it in like a bag.
You got a hard shell popper, right? That I
Yeah.
gave you?
And we're going to pick some. So I'm going to show you guys up here. Turn on second up. Basically, yeah, that's basically what's going to happen. I'm going to put them in this bag, maybe 2 bags or something, because they're pretty small. But, yeah. I'll see you guys when I cut them up and I put them in this bag. And when we start picking. Because, like, we don't have, like, a wheel or anything. So, I mean, it would be easier if I, like, downloaded an app. I don't know. I'll see what I'm doing. Okay, guys. So, we're back, and I just made the wheel.
We made the wheel.
If it would like to focus. Yeah, but I taped everything in. Put it up close. Well, I'll read everything to you. So we have a hard shell. Oh, you want to read it? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll take turns. So we have a. Don't turn your back to them. Okay. We have a hard shell dimple is the red one.
I'd rather do that. A pop-it.
A tangle.
Lucky. Magnets. Why do you get all the good stuff? Besides
Neatos.
Squishies.
Any 5.
Stress balls.
Monkey noodles.
Snappers.
Or any 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 things on this wheel, and we have 10 rounds. Right? And then at the end, we get 5 seconds to choose any other ones that we want.
5 seconds.
To choose anything we want out of our pile that is not on this list. Which I'm pretty sure we downed most of them. But so like for the hard shell dimples, it's really any dimple. It's not just like most of the dimples are hard shell. I think all of them are, besides like they have some soft ones like this, but people say this is like pop it. But then we have pop-it, which would be any pop-it, so
and
hard
guys,
shell pop-it or regular pop-it, mini pop-it, tangle, obviously, magnets, any magnet. That could be part of like any 5 or anything. So yeah, we're gonna spin. We're gonna take turns spinning.
I'm gonna go first because it's my tablet.
Okay, don't. Okay.
So I'm gonna say what I got. Ooh.
She got monkey noodles.
Yay.
So
How many?
You get to choose
Because it said monkey
2.
noodles.
2. Any 2 monkey noodles, and then show the camera.
So
I'm gonna move you guys over here really quick because it's better lighting. Oh yeah, and she also gave me like a mini poppet because I don't have a mini poppet.
Good one and one
Textured.
one. Yeah. So I just picked it. These are my 2 for now. So this one I really like because it's just like a squishy, mushy one. And this is actually an off-brand. This is an off-brand one, but I really like it. And then I got this textured one that has some lines. You guys can see that. And it actually feels really nice. So yeah, you can go now.
Okay, so I'm gonna go next. You guys can
Since you said that.
You get squishies. Wait, am I using your fidgets or
No?
Okay, so I have to go back to my room and get them because I have like 3 different spots for my fidgets. So
Bring like one bag.
I'm gonna bring all of them.
Really?
Yeah. Just can you help me a little bit, please? Oh, that's squishy. I have some marble mesh in here. I have wacky checks in here. I actually have a few things in here. Mochis.
I'll build that once I get back.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do mine in my room, and she's gonna do hers in the living room because she dumped all of hers out. So I'm gonna collect all my fidgets, and then I'm gonna put them on my bed, and then I'll show you guys which one I get. So I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so I just brought them, well, my sister helped bring these out here. So now for my squishy, I'm gonna choose. That doesn't count as like a needle. It has to be like this Harry Potter one, which is really soft. I might choose this one, not soft. I have like these bags. Have it in there.
Guys,
But I also have this one, which. Sorry about the noise.
So I also decided to switch out.
Wait, does it say squishies or squishy? Oh, it says squishy. Because I was going to pick these 2. If it has an S and it doesn't really, like Neatos, you can only pick 2. Magnets, as like the magnet rings, then you would have to choose 2. But the magnet beads, then you can choose however many.
So I got these 2 more things.
So I think I'm going to choose this one. But I also have this one too, so but I'm just going to choose this one. Because I like this one. And it was DIY.
And mine popped.
Both of hers. So far, I have this squishy. Now you could spin again. And so far you have monkey noodles.
Yeah.
That's it.
And if it lands
Why do you have like 5 there? So which 2 do you pick?
Oh.
So she picked an orange, like snake.
Yep, I showed her. Let's see.
Just, it's okay. It doesn't need a. Oh, you just press spin.
Oh, it was Nito.
Okay, so she gets to pick 2 Neatos.
No, wait, no, pop it.
Poppets,
Nito
please.
first.
Okay, so she gets 2 poppets.
No.
I mean 2 Neatos.
So I'm really happy that I got this.
Go over here then. When you're done picking.
I'm just putting my stuff.
You might lose some of it because you have it on the ground.
I'm trying to roll my stuff over.
We'll see you guys when she's done. Okay, so she has them all over here. Now she just has to pick which 2 Neatos she wants. But Michaela, again, you might land on it again.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go with this bubblegum Nito and like this almost mini bubblegum Nito. So Yeah.
Okay.
And
My turn to spin.
I have 4 fidgets so far. I'm really happy with that because I like those.
Pop it! Wait, what? Wait, what? It's hard shell dimple.
Lucky.
Okay, so I'm gonna obviously choose this one.
I better get it. Oh, I was looking for this one. I love this one.
You could choose that one.
I'm not watching again.
Okay, she is spinning.
Okay.
And she has any three. Okay, so you have only 5 seconds to choose this.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds because she has a big,
Dude, I can't find
big
it.
pile.
Okay.
Okay, 1.
Got him.
Okay, so she picked
No.
dimple. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so she went with a dimple, a hard shell poppet, and a hard shell dimple. So.
I love my simple dimple. That's why I picked it. First.
Okay, my turn. Where's it?
Right here. And I'm so happy that I got any 3. I was waiting for that one.
Okie dokie.
Tingle.
No,
It's squishy.
snapper. I don't have mine with me. I accidentally left my snapper, my magnet balls, and something else at my mom. I left some marble mesh. Whatever was in that green box, I accidentally left it.
I'll give you my snapper.
Where's it at?
Let's find it.
So we're trying to play by the rules, but if I don't have the snapper... Okay, so I have this snapper. Oh, and it works really good. Okay, your turn. So just
Yay.
spin it.
Spinning.
So,
Spinning.
it didn't show.
Snapper. We don't have another
Yeah, we don't have
snapper.
another snapper, so just spin it. It's not going to show because it's in...
Any
5! Lucky. Okay, you only get 10 seconds because it's
What?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3.
I can't hold all of it.
It's okay, you just can put it down. 1. And get all your magnet back. Collect all your magnets. Collect all your magnets. Okay, so you picked magnets.
Hold on, no.
Your timer's up, so whatever you have.
I wanted my big tangle. Okay.
Which 5 did you pick?
I picked
A hard shell
all of
puppet?
these.
Hard shell puppet, right?
This big thing. My
So that's 3.
fidget pad.
You have 2 more. You chose.
I chose another hard shell poppet because I was in a rush. And this crab bubble because I like it.
Okay, hopefully I get any 5 because that would be just luck. Pure luck. Any luck, please, guys. Give me some luck.
Luck!
Nope, I got a tingle. Oh, okay.
Lucky.
So where's my tingle? Right here.
You're so lucky. That just backfired on me. That could have been me. That could have been me with this. Let's see.
Do you want to show them what you got?
Needles. So let's
2 more needles,
see
guys.
if I have 4 needles. So I know
You have more than 4 needles. You have a cat one right there.
Where's my towel?
That orange cat right there. Right next to like your pink mini pocket. So you got that needle and then you have another one I know it. Maybe she doesn't have it like with her because she loses a lot of her fidgets.
This can replace the needle if I don't have one.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I don't have one.
Well, no, because it says needles. So you can only do that one then.
Why?
Because it's a needle. It's not like a squishy. That would be technically a squishy.
Yeah.
Or a stress ball. That would be a stress ball.
Hold on. You can roll, but I'm gonna go check for another needle cut.
Okay.
Needle.
Should I go for you again?
No.
Okay. I got a stress ball. Why did I sound so like ew about that? So does a needle count as a stress ball? No. Needles don't count as stress balls. I'm probably just gonna do this one because I love the sound of it. So Michaela, it's your turn. I got a stress ball. And like it kind of like has like some orange in it.
Did you find it?
I'm sitting in the back.
Wait, what?
Just choose that one for now.
No. You can occupy them. Just roll a couple more times.
Did you
You
find
can
it?
roll again, but I'll just have to go 2 times.
Okay.
Kayla?
Magnets, and I don't even have mine. So
Kayla?
I'm just gonna roll again. Any three.
Kayla?
Okay. I have 10 seconds to pick any 3.
What?
Okay, guys, so I want poppets. So I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah. I'm gonna choose. So one that I wanted, it was in here, and I want a pop tube so bad. So I'm gonna get a pop tube. No, this doesn't count because I'm holding a camera, and I have to open this. Pop tube right here. Oh wait, I do have a dimple. I have this dimple. And I'm just gonna choose this because why not? And I really love this, so I'm gonna grab the paper as well because the paper goes with it.
Yay!
So, okay, so I had any 3, and I got this Oh, she has that one. And I got this poppet, this brain teaser that Mom got me, and then
Okay, so now I get to go 2 times.
yeah, she has to go 2 times. So it landed on magnets, but I don't have my magnets, so I just rolled it again, and that's what I got. Any 3. So. Okie dokie.
So let me
So roll.
Roll.
Show the camera. What? Monkey nose yet. I'll let you choose one.
Well, of course, I'm gonna leave.
Okay, so you picked 2. Okay, my turn.
No?
Yeah.
No, I go 2 times.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. She rolled. Stress ball. So, stress ball. So, choose one stress ball. I knew you were going to go for the blueberry. So, she got a blueberry Orbeez stress ball. Okay, next one.
You got a tingle.
Poppet. Oh, another poppet. Okay.
Happy squeeze.
Another poppet, guys. Oops. This keeps falling. Another poopette.
How many rounds has this been?
I don't know, and we're just going to keep going until we think we have enough. I guess I'm going to choose a mini poppet.
Dude, that's mine. Is it?
Yeah, it's yours. A tangle! That's what she's been wanting this whole entire time.
Baby tingle. Yay.
Okay, my turn. Do a spin.
Which that also counts as 2 tingles. So. Hi.
Any 3. Again, any 3. Okay.
Who's gone there, buddy?
So,
Yeah.
I'm going to choose this because it
Sorry,
has
bud.
multiple on there.
Joey.
And I'm gonna choose my dimple. Nah, not my dimple. I'm gonna choose my Nido. And then I'm gonna choose my puzzle ball.
I got 2 puzzle balls, but I don't know where they went. So yeah.
Well, you know where one of them is.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so that's my 3. That's my 3. Pop it.
I
got a puppet. Pick a puppet. Pick a puppet. Pick a puppet. Pick a puppet.
So, I swear I have this one puppet.
Show them.
No.
You don't want that one.
You can roll once or twice. Come on, go check for another puppet.
Oh, I have my big puppet too. Dang. Another puppet. That's just amazing. Oh, I keep getting puppets. Oh, there's my trimple dimple. I think I'm gonna choose.
Well, I know what I'm picking next when I get another needle.
Oh, she found her other needle.
I found my
Okay,
needle, but
your
then I
turn.
also got a triple and.
Let me see.
So I got
she chose
just
this
one.
puppet. Okay,
How many times did you go?
I only went once, so you go one
You
other.
can go twice.
No. Go.
You landed on puppet?
Yeah. And she. Show. Squishy. Squishy. So you have a starfish squishy. And you have a bunch of like little squishies.
Look. It doesn't
But you have a high five. You have an octopus. You have a hand. You have a sheep.
I'm gonna use this one because it's really slow rising and I don't let
And it's from
anybody else use
Scenario.
it. I don't let anybody else use it.
I'm gonna spin mine. And you guys get to see first.
I'll show you weight room.
Needles. Okay, so I get 2 needles.
Lucky.
And obviously I'm gonna choose my cat needle.
Lucky.
And I'm gonna choose my green one. That's not color changing.
Lucky.
That's my bubblegum needle. Where's my color changing?
That was just your bubblegum needle.
I know. I said that's my bubblegum needle.
That's the same one.
So I got my color changing.
We both have the same
But
one.
I need to play with this more because it's more stiff than hers. Okay, so I got those.
I get to see first.
She has to see hers.
Hard shell dimple. So I already have one, but I know I do have
Okay, the spinny.
a dimple.
So she's gonna choose a spinny dimple. And you guys get to see first. Magnets! I get to go again because I don't have mine. Hard shell dimple. Okay, I know where my triple dimple is, so I'm just gonna choose that. You can go.
I had my trampoline. Happy squish. Happy.
Okay, that's what I rolled.
That's
Go again. Go again. You didn't even.
Squishy.
Now they're squishy. Let's just remove that one. Let's remove that one. Because nobody really wants a squishy anywhere. Okay. Simple, dimple, puppet squish, puppet squish.
Wait, I have to get a squishy?
Yeah.
I thought you.
Any 5. Oh, wait. I just
Wait.
rolled that.
I want to roll again.
Any 5.
Because I don't have a lot of squishies. And you got to roll again. So.
Well, I didn't have magnets. You have squishies. So any 5, right?
I'm going to roll.
Okay, wait. No, I didn't pick my 5.
Magnets.
So I'm going to go for...
I was hoping for a puppet because I wanted this. But I told you.
I'm going to go for an Orbeez stress ball.
These which I have to look for.
And I'm gonna go for. Oh wait, I have 5. 2. So that's 2. Number 2.
Beetles. So there's exactly
3.
I counted out
Is
of
a
here.
timer. Ooh, my glow in the dark.
Wait, no.
4.
There's a timer. Then your timer would have been over.
No, I'm saying this is my fidget that I chose. So that's 4. And I get 1.
Yeah, but your timer would have been over already.
Oh, I do have magnets.
Because it's been over 10 seconds and it's been over 5 seconds.
So there goes my magnets.
So I don't have to count.
So you get to go another time because I found my magnets.
Excuse me, guys.
And I'm gonna choose my splat.
Oh, sorry.
I Ow.
I'm sorry. You alright?
Yeah.
I said excuse me.
My spot. Okay, that's my 5. You get to go another time. One more time. Because I found my magnets. So. Snapper. We don't have one, so you get to go again.
You know what football practice does now?
Go again. She chose magnets. Oh, Mom. Just choose one. You don't have to choose 2. Just choose one monkey noodle.
No. I'm wasting.
That's crazy.
Still. I hate monkey.
We're gonna do 5 more rounds because we don't know how many rounds we already did. So, I mean, it's definitely been more than 10.
Monkey noodles.
Yeah.
I got the monkey noodles. Love me, but I hate them.
Oh my god, Mom.
23.
I dropped gold too.
Why do you keep getting 93 and I keep getting like?
Okay, so I'm gonna do this one.
That was funny.
You get all the good stuff.
I grabbed the board, bring the ball up,
More monkey noodles.
running.
Just spin again. I'm gonna choose my dimple.
Going that way.
And then I'm also gonna
Came back another
choose
again. I hit another crossover.
Magnet. Tangle.
my fidget pad. So that's my 3.
I crossed over and hit him with another
Okay, so that I did 1 round.
going. So I'm here. And then they were like, they gave Cole an ISO. They're like, ISO. All right, because that's usually what they do after you get someone a bucket. Yeah. And then Cole made a 3.
I'll see you guys once she finds one.
Me and Cole.
She rolled a hard shell dimple. She got that. So that's 1 round for both of us.
Fight with my friend Calvin.
Why?
And I got
Leslie always
a
starts something.
With you?
No, with
snapper.
Calvin.
So I don't have
My
one. So
friend Calvin.
just spin for me,
Calvin's cool.
please.
But Calvin was about to smack him right in the face because he's annoying.
Who, Wesley?
Yeah.
Chess ball. Okay.
You guys need to pick
So
up
I
your
could
shit.
choose another.
There's
I
stuff
know.
laying here.
I know.
No, that's not good.
I'm gonna tone.
Wesley.
I'm about to go work at Dairy's for a lesson, you know? They get paid every other week. But their paycheck's like $700 each.
I'm gonna choose this grape. Okay, Michaela. So this is the second
How
round.
many hours are they working?
Leslie said he works 5 days.
So for
4 or
Michaela,
5 hours. Like
she
me.
got
Just more days.
monkey
Maybe an
noodles.
extra day or so.
No.
Honestly.
Yeah, I told him I'd get like 150 a week. He was like, that's it. I was like, yeah.
No.
I told you not to go to the Giant. You're hardly making any money.
No.
Next time we land on monkey noodles, we're gonna get
Well,
rid of it.
summer's almost over. So.
Okay.
I just stick with the Giant for now, probably.
So
but
that
if you
was
wanna get
round
another job,
2.
You just gotta apply.
This is
You can
round
work
3.
2 jobs. You just don't wanna. Like you'd say at the Giant, you're like, I got another job, so like I'd like to stay here on Thursday and Friday. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then your other job, you'd work
Have it.
Saturday and Sunday or something like that. And then Tuesday,
Let's
you
do.
get paychecks coming in every week. Some weeks you get 2 paychecks then. If you're getting paid
95.
every other week.
She got
There's lots
25.
of
I
places
picked
out
this.
there though. You gotta
She got 25 finally.
Lots
She
of
got a
them.
good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Okay.
On this one.
5.
No, you better not be counting me.
I was saying 5. That's all I was saying. Simple dimple, pop it, squish, pop it, squish, pop it, squish. Simple dimple, pop it, squish.
Definitely my mini.
Okay, so that was how many?
4.
4. Choose one more. Cheetos! Drum roll, please. Lucky check. My turn.
You know what?
This is round 4.
I'm gonna switch this out
Round 4.
for squishy because squishies are really
93. I'm gonna toast my acupressure ring. I'm gonna choose my acupressure ring.
I don't have any pressure. Wait.
My bike chain and a marble mesh. Okay. Marble mesh, bike chain. Bike chain and acupressure ring. Your turn. And this is the last round after she rolls.
Hopefully I get any 3 because I really want these.
Okay, so roll it again. This whole video, 30 minutes of this video. We're gonna have to do part 2 after we pick. Hard shell dimple. Hard shell dimple.
I don't have any.
Saw that. So dimple. You have dimple. You still have your crab dimple.
No, I don't.
Oh. Stress ball.
You're about to catch me playing with my fidgets that I didn't even get.
Go. Choose a stress ball.
It's so cool.
Choose a stress ball.
I got you to a stress ball. I got you to a stress ball. My stress ball. Stress ball. Stress ball.
My turn. This is the last round. And we're going to do part 2 because this is already 30 minutes. And this is probably going to be the most boring video ever. I got a stress ball. And I'm guessing I'm going to choose my needle. Either that
Dang it.
or...
I forgot about these guys. Or I would have picked them. This little guy.
I have more stress balls.
No, can we pick,
And for the
An
last
extra
one, we get
4?
to... Yeah, extra 4. For the last round, though. Oh, no! Stuff is falling and I have too much. So I'm just gonna choose a needle, and that's gonna be my star thing. My star, I forgot what it's called. Anyways, so you get to go one more time, and then we get to choose any 4
so I already choose my
for the speed round.
And
I guess I'm gonna be choosing my 4 right now. And during this, we're gonna also be trading, fake trading.
I have no needles
So
left.
I'm gonna choose, no, not this. This is terrible.
I am not doing my noodles.
You should have took it off, because what if you get it again?
85.
95, lucky. You just chose horror. I want to see what I get for fun.
I'm choosing my fidget cube. My other fidget cube.
I got any 3. I found my mini needle. Okay, so for my any 3, I'm gonna choose this,
My apple popper.
this mini